I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing your Tune 510BT and phone so the app can find the headset. Charge the headset and power it on, then press and hold the power button until the LED flashes. This forces pairing mode. Next, install and open the JBL app and allow Bluetooth and location permissions so your device can scan. Once done, tap Add Device in the app and confirm the headset is still flashing so the app sees it immediately. You now complete the in-app connection and setup. Select Tune 510BT in the app's device list and accept the phone's Bluetooth pairing pop-up. This links audio and control channels. Then follow the app's guided steps, run the firmware check, and choose sound or control preferences because firmware ensures stability and new features. Make sure you stay near the phone during any update, otherwise the process can fail. Once the update finishes, the app will confirm the device is ready. You finish by validating functionality and saving settings. Test playback and mic through the app's diagnostics or with a quick call so you know both channels work. Then enable personalization and save any EQ presets. Also check battery and firmware status in the device screen. If something goes wrong, try this key fix. Restart both phone and headset, clear the phone's Bluetooth cache or forget the device. Then repeat pairing in the app. This resolves most connection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.